How to keep maps north up on Google Map. Hi everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to keep maps north up on Google Map. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Google Maps on a device. Make sure to sign in to your account. Now tap profile icon at top right corner and access settings by tapping settings option. Once you're on your settings section, scroll down. Now you have to choose navigation settings option. On navigation settings section, scroll down and look for the option of keep map north up which is on the map display. When you get that option, make sure to toggle the button on for keep map north up. This will help us to keep maps north up on Google Map. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.